Now the next step is to install Pulumi. So I'm going to use Windows PowerShell to install Pulumi using this command, choco install Pulumi. Right, so let's open up Windows PowerShell using as an administrator. Windows PowerShell, make sure to open it as run as administrator. So now we have opened up Windows PowerShell in admin. Now we have opened up Windows PowerShell as an admin user. So let's run this command, choco install Pulumi. Now it's being downloaded. I will skip this video just to save your time. Now we want to extract the script, so please type yes. Now we have successfully installed Pulumi, right? So now close it and let's check whether Pulumi has been successfully installed or not. Run the command Pulumi version. Now you can see Pulumi has been successfully installed with the latest version